for Stilosa, I'm going to try and make an espresso. We tear the water filter and weigh around 8 grams of pre-ground coffee. But bear in mind, for Stilosa, we need a very fine coffee ground. So it is best if you buy external grinder rather than buying pre-ground coffee from your local cafes. Okay, that's about right. And then distribute it. Temp, make it flat. So this is actually a manual coffee machine. So you're going to measure yourself for espresso. So this cup is around 2 ounce. So normally for espresso we do around 1 ounce of coffee. So when you're done, just switch it off. So this is suitable for a professional barista who wants to make espresso and taste their coffee beans every day without buying expensive coffee machine. So there you go, you get espresso. This is what we call as crema. This is the oil of the coffee